Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the online global launch of Tiger Pro series. It's really nice to meet you all around the world virtually as we decided to move our global launch online. And I really hope that all of you are safe and healthy. April 20, 2020, a historic date for energy market as WTI crude oil settled below zero for the first time ever, crashing to minus $37 per barrel. Unbelievable. On the same day, a new record low electricity price of 1.35 cents per kilowatt hour was created for the world's largest solar power plant, a 2 gigawatt single project in Abu Dhabi. The most contributing part of that price from a manufacturer standpoint is the generation performance of the solar panels used. It is predicted by Jinko Solar's chairman David Lee that it won't take long for the solar price to drop below 1 cent. But how to achieve that? So let's welcome Jeff Zhou, product director of Jinko Solar, to explain us what makes Tiger Pro series stand out from others and how your project and investment can get the highest power and value out of this product. Welcome, Jeff.
Hello everyone, welcome all of you to join Jinko Tiger Pro online global launch. Jinko Solar was built in 2006. During the past decade, we are always focusing on doing one thing well, to make the perfect and the right products. We will use all our technology and efforts to achieve the target of global comprehensive grid parity. Why and what's the reasons behind of our persistence? No matter under fixed tilt or track condition, reduction of global LCOE is more than 80% from 2009 to 2019. Reduction of track condition is even higher respectively. If we review the short term, reduction of global LCOE is 4% if compare second half of 2019 and the first half of 2020 forecast. And within the same period, China market is 13% reduction. At the current stage, domestic market has been partially achieved grid parity, and we can achieve comprehensive grid parity regarding to the other part through continuous technological innovation of the industry chain.
Grid parity actually depends on all the efforts of the whole industry chain. As the biggest PV module supplier, we Jinko Solar launched our Cheetah series in 2018. Which lead module into PV 4.0 era. And we launched our Swan Bifacial in the first half of 2019 and the Tiger series in the second half of 2019. Mass production of Tiger series was 470 and we can achieve high up to 475 this year. Besides of multiple bus bar and half cut, actually, the core of Tiger series is a tiring ribbon technology. We'll use circular ribbon to solve the concern by limited area between the overlapping cells and the ribbon. Besides, during the module lamination process, we'll use special spec curve, POE or EVA, to fill the gap between the overlapping cells and the ribbon to keep or guarantee its long-term reliability performance. And so far, our Tiger series have countersigned more than 2 gigawatts in the global market. Under such background, today we launched our Tiger Pro series. The maximum power class can be higher up to 580. It mainly included two types, 72 TR and 78 TR. Maximum power class will be 535 and 580 respectively. We can achieve 21.6% module efficiency. Let's take Tiger Pro 72 TR for example. Maximum mass production power will be 535 and 21.6% module efficiency with 216 watt per square meter as energy density. All these parameters will be the evidence to prove that we can invest less and return more. Regarding to the whole Tiger Pro monofacial series, we guarantee customers 2% for the first year power degradation and 0.55 for the linear performance or performance degradation. And we offer customers the industrially competitive temperature coefficient, which will significantly reduce the impact of power loss by temperature, especially under those high temperature locations. If we compare with 500 products in the market which use 2010 wafer size and 3-cut, we can find that our Tiger Pro, we have the lower open circuit voltage, which is 49.5 watt, which means if we install those modules and minus 20 degrees, we can install 28 PCs, which is one more compared with 500 watt. Which results of we can install 11% more module power per string. We also provide the bifacial for the Tiger Pro series, which including bifacial dual glass and the bifacial transparent backsheet. Bifacial transparent backsheet actually is a differentiated product which can reduce more than 30% weight compared with dual glass. And actually they have different scenarios, can satisfy customers' different demanding on projects. Here we guarantee 30 years performance warranty, 2% as a first year power degradation, and 0.55 as a linear performance warranty. As what we have mentioned previously, actually the grid parity depends on all the efforts of the whole industry chain. And if actually, frankly to say, the module's spec will affect the project BOS a lot. Till now, our Tiger Pro series have fully compatibility with the top mounting suppliers, including fixed tilt and the tracker. At the same time, our Tiger Pro also have fully matching with the inverters, including the string inverter and the central inverter, which means we can most satisfy customer demands with their different design and demanding during the project feasibility analysis. Here we will use two cases to show the economic benefits by Tiger Pro. The first case is located in Vietnam. The whole capacity is 120 megawatt. And according to the conditions, we will use string inverter plus single X tracker and with monofacial and bifacial. If we check the table sheet, we will clearly find that our Tiger Pro series have the obvious advantage on BOS and the LCOE. The key things to result of such difference between the BOS cost is mainly caused by the tracker cost and the DC cable installation and its pile foundation, as well as the labor cost. So when we compare Tiger Pro and the 500-watt monofacial, we can clearly find that our BOS cost and the LCOE costs reduced to 2.3% and 2.2% respectively. And meanwhile, our IR and the ROI will increase 3.6% and 2.2% respectively. Second case is we select our domestic Qinghai province, and we use central inverter plus tracker and monofacial modules. We set DC-AC ratio as 1.1. So let's check the table sheet. We can find that the BOS cost and the LCOE have the same trend, which prove that our Tiger Pro series have such big advantage compared with other 500 products. 2.5% and 2.6% for the BOS cost and the LCOE, and also like 5% and 2.6% for the IR and the ROI. Our Tiger Pro series mass production will be started from this Q3, and we have 10 gigawatt annual capacity. Finally, we strongly believe that our Tiger Pro series can most satisfy customer demands. Thank you.
As of today, Tiger Pro series could be able to achieve much greater generation with the same dimensions and less weight. And beyond that, it is compatible with trackers, either fixed or adjustable, central or string inverters, creating the best possible solution for a variety of scenarios. Therefore, it is my pleasure to invite some of our system partners to showcase their offerings, which are matchable with Tiger Pro panels, to redefine the game-changing performance of your investment. So, first of all, let's welcome Wang Shetao, CTO of Arctech Solar, onto the stage, who will share with us his valuable insights on the importance of mounting systems in achieving the highest power output. Welcome, Mr. Wang.
Good afternoon, everybody. It's my pleasure to come here up to share all the benefit coming from Jinko Solar launch their new product, Tiger Pro. So today my topic is about the impact of the high power module, impact of the tracker solution. I come from Arctech Solar. My name is Tao Wang. So today I will share 5 topics related to this tracker solution. Right now we have a very popular solution for solar, especially for ground mounting solar solution. If you want to get lower electricity from solar, you will project by project to select the solution. You can using fixed structure, season tilt, and even you can use tracker. Right now, individual row tracker is more popular in the worldwide solution. We have several solutions for this 1 in poultry and 2 in poultry individual tracker solution. So these kinds of solution have a lot of benefit to make the energy cost lower. It can install everywhere, reduce the cable cost, and also you can use wireless communication. So after we get so many type of module from Jinko Solar, also Arctech we have Skyline, which is for 1 in poultry, and 2 in poultry we have SkySmart before. Today I bring SkySmart 2, which is most suitable solution, is the twin product solution matched with Tiger Pro high efficient module. So you know that bifacial module, high power module plus horizontal tracker solution can be the standard solution for the utility scale solar power plant. This is the one solution right now under construction in Middle East, Oman. And I think some of the third-party consultant company, they think this year we will get about 30 gigawatt for bifacial solution. So if you are thinking bifacial, two in portrait is much better compared with one in portrait solution, because there is no direct shadow effect from the real side of the module. We set up our outdoor platform evaluate 1P and 2P. We get the result, 1P and 2P have the different mismatch from the real side of the energy, because even you use 1P, still at a different side of the torque tube, you will get different energy from the real side. And it's even much higher for 2P solution. Later, I will share when you are doing the string connection, you need to thinking how to divide these two current from each side of the torque tube. So this is the data we get last month. After 1 month monitoring, we get 2P solution can get 0.5 more energy gain compared with 1P solution. Based on different reflect ability, Adobe, and also the temperature irradiation, we will get a different gain coming from 2P solution. It can be 1.5 and also can be more. So the most suitable solution for Tracker Pro is our SkySmart 2. What's that? It's have 4 string for 1500 watt for string level. The almost capacity, it will be 60 kilowatt per peak, and it will have a 2P solution, which is higher gain from the real side. This SkySmart 2, we have 3 or even more multiple parallel driving string gear, which can have higher safety factor. And based on previous data, we need to separate each side of the torque tube, the upper and the lower. We will get 4 individual string for the SkySmart 2. And this one is more safe using multiple driving for the 2P solution. Tracker Pro have several changing compared with before module. Mechanical changing, you will get longer, wider, so the capacity of the tracker will be much, much higher and will make the cost of the system down. But for one tracker, the control part and the driving part, it will be based on the union. It will be much, much lower compared with only the mechanical part reduced. When we calculate based on different country building code, we also need to comply with the wind tunnel test report. After changing the size of the module, we need to evaluate whether we need to redo the wind tunnel test to get the coefficient. The different level of the tracker company have the different ability for wind tunnel testing. Arctech is the only one company have the level 5, which is based on air elastic plus, which we get the parameter based on the air elastic testing for the real power plant solution. When you are thinking about SkySmart 2, we have several fixed points. When the big wind comes, the system more reliable. It will divide the torque for the different point of the driving part. So that means that we will get much higher ability. We can put the tracker in very high wind speed area. The most important thing today I want to figure out, Tracker Pro panel have very good electric parameter. Compared with the normal PERC 400 watt module, this new Tiger Pro module have 30% of the more energy, but there's no changing for the open voltage. What does that mean? No changing of the open voltage, you will get the same number of the module for one string. And then you will get much, much more capacity for one tracker. Structure part will using more linear effect, but the tracking system, how control part and the driving part is based on one unit. So that part will reduce a lot. Using SkySmart 2 plus Tiger Pro solution, we will get 74.5% of more energy capacity for one tracker. What I mean? We will get 42% of the cost down for this solution using SkySmart 2 plus Tiger Pro module. So after we using the high power module plus horizontal tracker, we can using artificial intelligence algorithm to increase our energy output. So we have several strategies for artificial intelligence algorithm based on the geography of the land. We can using this strategy increase the power up to 4%. Based on the cloudy strategy, we will get about 2% of the energy gain. If you want to get this AI artificial intelligence algorithm solution, you need to using something different for the control system. So we develop the new artificial intelligence control box, which have strong calculation ability and the memory database analyze ability. It gets the power from string and also use the wireless communication. We never using battery for normal operation, but it's only for backup. So the battery lifetime very long compared with other solutions. Finally, I want to introduce Arctech a little bit. We found this from 2009 based on Kunshan in China. We have installed more than 24 gigawatt all over the world, more than 900 projects. We have several branches all over the world to support our customer in China, North America, Middle East, India, Australia. So we have designed and installed a lot of power plants using higher efficient module and tracker in China, like Top Run project and also the high-level transmission project. So at this special time, I want to say, wherever you are, wherever your project are, we will be there, support you, together with Jinko Solar. Thank you.
Now I would like to welcome Li Jun, Huawei Vice President of Sales and Services, to talk about the great contribution of inverters and new systems to reach grid parity. Welcome, Mr. Li.
Hello, everyone. It's my pleasure to just here to show Huawei Fishing Solar Smart PV solution and combine with Tiger Jinko Pro model, and we'll be show how to just improve this LCO in the future. My part will be including three topics. First one is the development of the inverter, and the second one is Huawei Fishing Solar Smart PV Solution 6.6 Plus, and the last one is the best partner for the Jinko Tiger Pro. Here will be see the development of the inverter. I think for the history will be see the linear power supply to the phase control power and to the string inverter. In this industry, we put a lot of innovation part in this inverter, and from the beginning is the power transistor, and from the SCR to the IGBT and MOS, and from 2012 will be focused on the NPT IGBT, and this year I think it will be IGBT the 7th version. So I think all this technology just innovation in this string inverter. From the beginning will be only the inverter. I think is only the basic feature is the power conversion and the simple monitoring. But now I think the inverter is totally different. So we are just not only power conversion, but also realize for optimization and intelligent, especially a lot of features just combined in this inverter, especially like the SDS, IV, AFCI, EL, and also rapid shutdown. This kind of the feature combined with the inverter together. So it really is a smart controller. From the beginning, I think 2 years ago, is a digital solution with like the IP65 and also realize there are no fans, just natural cooling, this kind of feature. And in the middle, will be also put Huawei ELT solution to realize the communication during the plant. And this year, will be also for just involve the artificial intelligence, realize like the SDS and RV 4.0. This from the digital to the artificial intelligence, and you will be see in this page. 10 years ago, the string inverter percentage is not so high. It only, I think, 20%. But this year now is totally different. The percentage of the string inverter is more than 50%, and this percentage will become higher in the future. Another situation is that, when the LCOE is reduced, especially in some region like the Middle East, UAE, and also the Latin American like the Mexico, I think the LCOE, the price and the cost will be reduced again in the future. So also another one is that the percentage of the innovation energy is like the wind, solar, the percentage I think will be increased in the future. So it will be some challenge for some weak grid countries such like Australia and also like the UK and even some part in China. So I think our solution, especially the equipment supplier, will be focused on how to make the grid stability and security is very important. Huawei Fishing Solar 6 Plus combined with different technology like the SDS, also like the IV curve, and also smart grid. This kind of the feature combined together will be support the high performance, grid friendliness, smart OM, and safety and reliability. You will be see this page that this plant in the future will be always in the remote and will be make this SCR just to reduce and have this kind of requirement, because in the future not only the traditional energy but also like the water, like the wind, like the solar will be combined together. How to make this kind of the different technology balance? This is also very important for the solution, especially meet the balance the different technology energy. So we always focus on the grid part to just make this grid stability. IV curve, I think we used a lot globally, especially the strategic customer. Compared with the traditional solution, we also just only software, no any just additional hardware can support this cost and support this technology, and also save a lot of the time. Normally will be some days, like 30 or 40 days, and use our feature only 25 minutes just 300 mega plant can just use 25 minutes will realize a report, and also almost no any yield loss and output the report. So will be help a lot for the operation and maintenance team. Also, we combine a lot, the different R&D center globally, like the Finland, Germany, Singapore, and also in China. We will be focused a lot on the safety and reliability to support fishing solar product and solution. So our product have the certification of IS, SL, and also have the level 4 protection, issue end-to-end safety. Today, I think we launched, the Jinko Energy launched the Tiger Pro models, and I think it's the best partner just for both Jinko Power model and with Huawei Inverter together. It's from the peak power and to rated power. Also match the voltage MPP and MPPTs, and the current 30 ampere. I think is the best partner for Jinko Tiger Pro models. From this page, you will be see in the different scenario, Huawei fishing solar system combined with the Jinko model can support like 26 to 28 models. Will be the DC AC ratio will be up to 1.8. So this DC AC ratio I think will be compatible to with all regions and scenarios. Here is the analysis about the BOS part will be compared with the traditional solution. It will be based on the high DC AC ratio. You can see the labor cost and combined with the cable cost will be save 1.4 US cent per wattage. Here is some just real site will be do some analysis. We'll be get some data from the different tri site in China. One is from the Dalaj, another one is from the Geermu, Qinghai. Also have from Anhui and Guangxi. You will see for the SDS solution, we can realize the yields will be high from 0.5% to 1.3%. And here also is a real case in the Qinghai UHV project with more than 300. You will be see from this project, our yields, high yields is more than 3.67%, 3.67% high compared with the traditional solution. I think Jinko and Huawei are strategic partners. We cooperate a lot globally, not only in China, but also outside of China. I think more than 2 gigawatts just deployed globally. And compared with the traditional solution, our generation will be more than 2% high. I think this one will be help our investor, developer, just have more years compared with the traditional solution. So here is my presentation. Thank you, everybody. Thank you.
So our lunch event has come to the end. I would like to thank you all for watching the online global launch of Tiger Pro series. And thank you very much to our speakers, Jeff Zhou, Wang Shitao, and Li Jun, for sharing your expertise with us. Together with our partners, we have built a strong and vibrant ecosystem. And it's also because of this synergy that we will usher in a new era of solar industry with the release of Tiger Pro, the world's most powerful utility solar panel. We will be always committed to build your trust in solar. Thank you very much.